Hi friends, this is an announcement for the next 2 live sessions that we would conduct this week. So the live sessions for all of our GATE students would be on 13th and 15th of May, which are basically Wednesday and Friday, right? So on these 2 days, we'll conduct 2 live sessions, and these live sessions will be at 7 p.m. in the evening. We typically do a 45 to 60 minute live sessions nowadays, right? So roughly it all anyway, after answering all the questions, we typically end up closing out the live session at 8 p.m. So we can think of them as 1 hour live sessions. They'll be accessible to everyone on YouTube. Again, as we mentioned earlier, some of our live sessions will be publicly available. Some of them will be privately available only to our course registered students. So these 2 live sessions are publicly available live sessions. And the topics of discussion, again, these live sessions are of the form of problem solving live sessions, the way we have done in the last week. And we will cover some topics from data structures and algorithms. If you recall, in the last week, we have had 2 live sessions where we picked up a bunch of problems from a bunch of topics and solved a bunch of interesting questions in an interactive problem solving session. In another live session, we did the same thing with a different set of topics. Same thing we'll repeat it this week also, but with a different set of topics. So for 13th of May, which is the Wednesday, these are the topics that we will focus on. So please revise these topics. Again, we have our notes publicly available on our website. You can revise it based on our notes or notes that you have written if you've already studied these topics. So please go through dynamic programming and greedy algorithms from data structures and algorithms, and we would solve about 8 problems in a 1 hour live session. Again, this will be interactive, just like the previous sessions, where we'll give you a question, give you some time to answer. You can submit your answers on the chat window. Then one of our instructors will go and explain the solutions in depth. Okay. So on 13th of May, we will solve problems from dynamic programming and greedy algorithms. Again, some of these problems will be easy, some of them will be medium, and some of them would be slightly on the harder side. That's to expose you to a wide spectrum of problems. Number 2, on 15th of May, which is the Friday at evening 7 p.m., we will do one more live session. Again, it's a problem solving live session from data structures and algorithms, but this would cover all the topics in data structures algorithms across the whole GATE syllabus. Again, we'll stick only to GATE syllabus because these live sessions are meant for people who are preparing for computer science GATE exam, right? So this is, again, please revise these topics. Please make a note of the time. If you have friends whom you think could benefit from these live sessions, please share this announcement with them so that they can join on YouTube at 7 p.m. on 13th and 15th, right? So please revise these topics so that you can participate in the live sessions and we can have a lot of constructive discussion during the live sessions themselves.